Hello and welcome back. I hope you're enjoying learning how to program using Ruby so far. So now I want to take a little break from our regular curriculum and take a few minutes to talk about Ruby style conventions. Okay? I'm sure you're aware, but this is very important. Let's say you're going for a job interview and your potential employer takes a look at your code, and within a few seconds, they'll be able to recognize if you're not following Ruby conventions, okay? And which will basically tell him that you're not really experienced in using Ruby or Rails. So it's very important to get the styling right. And here is a resource, which is a pretty comprehensive style guide on Ruby. It's https://github.com/b-sov/ruby-style-guide. Okay? This is a very detailed page, very detailed document, but I want you to read a good amount of it. Pay special attention to names like where to use camel case, where to use snake case, how to indent, where not to indent, what are the best ways to write out a method, etc. It's very detailed, as you can see, has table of contents. It goes through very good and easy to read format where it shows bad and then it shows good, okay? And it goes through code examples, is very detailed and useful. Now, there's obviously no need to memorize all of it, of course, but try to write out some of the good ways of how to write things in the browser, okay? For example, over here, there's the bad way, there's okay-ish, but there's the good way. So write out some of these in your browser, in your playground.rb file, and make sure you get used to typing it the correct way. And then once you get used to it, I want you to type out a method, okay? A very simple one. It could be anything, but use the correct naming format for the method definition, which will be snake case, and make sure it has an if statement in it. So there should be an if, else, and branch in there. And then paste the method in the discussion area. This is very important to do since we want other students to take a look at what you have written too and learn from it, or point out any differences that they came across while doing the same exercise, okay? Now, keep going through as much as you can, but there is a point where I don't want you to go beyond that, and it's the classes section. So I'm going to scroll down here. As you can see, this is a pretty detailed document. So after comments is classes and modules. You don't need to read below this. Just know that the class names are camel case. Okay, perfect. So good luck, and remember to post your method to the discussion area, and I'll see you in the next video.